Lucky bamboo is a very popular indoor plant, not just because it looks beautiful, but also because people believe it brings good luck, positive energy, and prosperity. One of the main benefits of lucky bamboo is that it is very easy to grow and maintain. You don't need soil to grow it. It can grow in just water, which makes it perfect for homes, offices, and even small spaces. It does not need direct sunlight, so you can place it almost anywhere indoors. Another important benefit is that lucky bamboo helps improve air quality. Like many indoor plants, it can absorb harmful toxins from the air and release oxygen, making your environment healthier and fresher. Many people also keep lucky bamboo for its calming effect. Its green color and simple design can reduce stress and create a peaceful atmosphere, which is great for mental well-being. In addition to health benefits, lucky bamboo is strongly connected to positive energy and feng shui. According to feng shui principles, the number of stalks in lucky bamboo has different meanings. For example, 2 stalks represent love, 3 stalks bring happiness, wealth, and long life, and 5 stalks are believed to improve health. Because of these meanings, lucky bamboo is often given as a gift during special occasions like housewarmings, weddings, and business openings. It is also considered a symbol of growth and success, making it popular among business owners and professionals. Another great benefit of lucky bamboo is that it is long-lasting if properly cared for. You just need to change the water regularly and keep it in a clean container. It does not require much attention, which makes it ideal for beginners or busy people. Overall, lucky bamboo is not just a decorative plant. It is a combination of beauty, simplicity, and positive energy. Whether you keep it for decoration, health benefits, or good luck, it is a wonderful addition to any space.